loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marissa. Welcome. I'm super excited to be sharing today's video. This is in collaboration with Shorty mom. Her name is Verenice. She is a wife and a stay-at-home mom of 2 boys like myself. In her channel, you'll find tons of cleaning motivation, vlogs, day in the life kind of stuff. She does cooking videos. You'll love her channel, guys. So I invite you to go and check out her channel. Consider subscribing, like her video, let her know I sent you, show her tons of love. And yeah, guys, so today we're doing an after dark clean with me. Today's video was very minimal in my part because I just didn't have a lot to do, but nonetheless I am giving you some cleaning motivation as well as laundry motivation. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get to it, guys.
Trying to make up your mind like you need more time. You've already spent most of mine. Even when your words fail, you try to keep it.
Alright guys, so starting with my 3-day-old laundry basket full of laundry, I'm going to fold that and put it away.
It's about damn time you get it right. I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest? Bury it down and move on and walk right here. You always try to find a way out, buying yourself time. I'll make it easier for you and say goodbye. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest? Bury it down and move on and walk right here. While I'm out here. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest? Bury it down or move on and walk right out of here. I'm up all night, keep pretending. Save the world. I'm up all night, keep talking, yeah. Bury it down, I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
Moving on to the kitchen, like I mentioned before, I didn't really have a lot to do today. I'm just picking up whatever was left over after dinner, and then that's pretty much it.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one I lies upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits. Cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich. No, I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go too fast. Cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time. Cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich. No, I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even
so I noticed that the island there was really dirty, I guess from the kids' feet or whatever, but there was like all kinds of stains and stuff, so I just wanted to clean it really fast.
Thinking about me, I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So thinking about me, 'cause I've been thinking about you. 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 Yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah. Love you better. Oh, love you better. Love you better. Lately I've been feeling some type.
Okay, so I noticed that the sink in our powder room was pretty dirty. The kids usually wash their hands there before meals. The baby plays with the sink all the time, so there was like all kinds of stains and stuff. So I wanted to wipe it down really quick, and I had to change the towel as well.
Say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will.
Alright guys, so the last thing I had to do today was fold my oldest son's laundry. So what I do is I fold his laundry in his room and I leave it on his bed, and then he'll put it away for me. I think it's extremely important for kids to have responsibilities, like their laundry, especially boys. In my case, I have two, so I try to teach them things like this, like separating their clothes, what goes with what to wash, and then just putting things away and where they go. Simple things like that. I'm sure it'll help them in the long run. But I also wanted to take this moment to welcome anybody that's new or you're coming from Verenice's channel. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you consider subscribing, and don't forget to go to Verenice's channel and let her know I sent you. Send her tons of love, guys. Consider subscribing. You'll love her channel. She has tons of cool content. And yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the good things. It really helps out our channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Know that you're not beside me, love of mine. Love me for a while, love of trying to keep my focus right. Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time with